Hi viewers, I am Sumeet Chawala, owner of car accessory store Car Plus in East Delhi, Padpadganj industrial area. We are in this trade for last 23 years and I think we are the biggest store of Delhi in India. And we do car interiors, car audio, car detailing, PPF, everything is available under one roof only. And we are dealing Pioneer from the day it was launched in India in 2008.
Hi, my name is Vaibhav and I recently bought a Nova car. I was looking to upgrade the head unit of my car. Since the original head unit of the car is very boring, it's not nice.
So customer came us with a requirement of playing YouTube, playing maps, playing Spotify, but he doesn't want an Android stereo because he has used Android stereo 3 or 4 times before, but he's not happy with the quality of the Android. The Bluetooth function doesn't work. Every 6 or 7 days the stereo gets hanged and we have to reset it again.
When I came to Car Plus, to Sumeet ji, he recommended me a new product from Pioneer. So this Pioneer product, which has I think the model number DMH-AF555BT. So I just saw the product and saw the product was lovely. So I just went ahead with the installation in my car. And I can say that after the installation, I'm highly satisfied with the product.
You can adjust it according to your viewer choice.
The product is so nice, so smooth, it's so responsive, and even I can use the YouTube feature, I can use the map feature, I can play music from the Spotify, and I'm very happy with the product. The initial impression of the product is very nice.
So thank you Pioneer for giving us this system so that we can pitch this to our customers who ask for Android. In this, they will get all the features and everything.